How to install Google Chrome on laptop or PC. So all you have to do is to open any web browser, but for me, I'm going to open a Microsoft Edge. And what you're going to do is to search for Google Chrome download, this one, tap this one here. And then once you tap this download, you will see a notification above that it is starting to download, or once it's finished, what you're going to do is to simply open the folder or go to the three dots, scroll down and look for downloads. And then there you can see Chrome setup, or you can also tap this folder and you will see it here. Okay, downloads, and then go to Chrome setup. And what you're going to do is to simply right click and then run this as administrator. Okay, so you have to right click and then click run as administrator. And then there, what you're going to do is to simply wait for a couple of minutes. So you will see the progress right here, downloading, okay, a few minutes, 2 minutes, and then after that, installing, something like that. Okay, so wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, waiting to install. And then once done, here it is. Now you can set up a new Chrome profile. You can create a new one and you can sign in. So if you're going to tap sign in, then you have to sign into Chrome. But if you don't have this one yet, then you have to create an account. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.